Hello and welcome to a new video. Today, I will show you how to make a realistic t-shirt mock-up. Let's get started. First, you will need to create a displacement map. The Displace filter is useful because it allows you to distort the graphics you apply on your t-shirt by adapting it to the folds of the t-shirt. To create this filter, apply a black and white filter to your shirt image in case it is colored. If it is black like mine, you should try to lighten it by making it white. The goal is far away that she is white and that she has many contrasts. In my case, I applied twice a brightness, contrast level with brightness 150, and contrast at -50. I added a curve layer and increased the contrasts. Your final result should look like this. When you're done, make a copy of the shirt layer and merge the adjustment layers with the shirt layer. Last step, go to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur. Set a low radius, 3 is great. Now save the project in PSD file. This file will be your displace filter that we will use in the second part of the video. To apply your graphics to the shirts, create a rectangle that covers the shirt and turn it into a smart object. Here's how to apply a graphic to the t-shirt. Open the layer with the smart object by clicking on it. Import your design and adapt it to your rectangle. Finally, go to File, and select Save. Now, go back to your mockup project. To make your graphics look realistic, we need to create two filters. Duplicate the shirt layer and open it in Camera Raw. To open it in Camera Raw, go to Filter, and select Camera Raw. Here, you will have to edit the shirt in such a way that it is very contrasted and very detailed. Work with the parameters of the basic. The result must look like mine. Now bring this filter over your graphic. Set blend mode on linear dodge, add, and lower the opacity to 50%. With this filter, all the dark and colored parts of your graphic will have a texture. Turn it into a clipping mask. Now we need to do the same thing again. So duplicate the t-shirt layer and open it in Camera Raw. Now your result must be a white shirt with many contrasts. Now, create a clipping mask on top of the black filter. Set the blend mode on multiply. This filter will give texture to the white parts of your artwork. We're almost done. Now you just need to apply the Displace filter. To do this, go to Filter, Distort and select Displace. These are the settings I recommend using for a good result. Now browse for the PSD file you created in the first part of the tutorial and select it. Your mock-up t-shirt is ready. You can get this mock-up ready and 100% editable on my Gumroad page, link in the description. This is an extra part. If you want to add your logo on the label, follow these steps. Create a rectangle. Convert it to Smart Object. Distort the layer to fit the shape of the label. Now you can open the Smart Object and apply your logo. To edit the mockup, you just need to open the Smart Object. Import your graphic and fit it to the rectangle. Finally, save the file and your graphics will appear in the mockup. Thanks for following me to the end. I hope this tutorial was useful to you. Don't forget to subscribe so as not to miss other content and to leave a like. Bye.